So I just choose Surah Al-Baqarah. So let's assume I have issue. I'm facing some difficulties within the Surah Al-Baqarah. So I will just choose Surah Al-Baqarah. Then which of the verse within Surah Al-Baqarah? So let's assume it is the verse 286, right? So then that is where I want it to stop. And then here it says end at. That is where did you want it to end at. So if it is only that verse, particular verse I want the reciter to repeat for me, then I'm going to choose the surah here again as Surah Al-Baqarah. Then I will choose the verse again as 286. But if it were to be from 284 to 286 that I'm having issue, then I will just select it like that. Do you understand? So I'm just using this as a single verse example. So now we are around repeating. So to now repeat, you have to know here the first one is repeat for ayah. That is how many times do you want him to repeat that ayah. So you now come here and select. We are going to select it, don't worry, I'm going to practicalize this for you. So you now select on the number of times you want it to repeat a ayah. Then if that is the delayment between two, that is the time, delayment time between the two, that is after he read for the first time before he now read for the second time, for how many seconds do you want it to wait for you to read your own? Do you understand? For you to read your own so that you now read for the second time. I hope you understand. Then the last one here is just repeat range. So after you now finish the number of times that you want it to repeat the verse for you, or how many times do you want him to repeat a particular verse before he now jump into another verse. This is from where you are now going to select that one. So for that, I'm just going to use from verse 85 to 86, right? So that is the second last verses. Then here I will now say number of repeats, ayah repeats, that is repeats for ayah. So for each ayah, so I will ask him to repeat like 3 times or 4 times. Let's say 4 times. Then the delayment between each, you can ask him to repeat for how many times if you like, 80, 100,000 times. So did you get it?